Hello everyone, this is Carlos, and today we're going to be unboxing our first phone. This is the Google Pixel 3, 64 gigabytes. The color is matte pink, what Google's calling it. This is my first video I'm making. I bought this phone for my wife, so here we go. See if I can open it. So there it is. What do we got in the front? Keep Project Fi working instantly. Already having an account, not a Project Fi. I don't know what this is. You're invited to the SIM free life. Well, I bought a unlocked version, like many YouTubers do. There it is. Let's open the bag. Since this is my first video, I don't have a tripod yet. I'm holding the phone with my left hand here, so this is why I'm struggling a little bit. But anyways, there it is, 10 pixel Google. Hopefully my wife likes the phone. As you can see right here is the 5.5 64 gigabytes, not pink. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, there it is. Feels small since I'm using a Vivo Nex phone, but it should do alright. Let's put the phone to the side, see what else is inside. Okay, SIM injector, started kit, which I never read. I don't think nobody reads any of that. Here we got the headphones, or USB Type-C, since there's no headphone jack on this. There's the actual USB Type-C. Got your dongles here. I mean, at least they're giving out for free, unlike Apple, who's now charging you $9 to get one of these. And the actual brick, which is fast charge. Apple, you need to listen. You need to give us fast chargers. Like, seriously, man. Alright, well, that's it. I'm gonna set up the phone, and this has been the unboxing of Google Pixel 3.